Matanya ma ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti KRA mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2023-2024 mari gukorwo monganitie ciringi trilioni 2.5 na riu mwaka uyu wa kigina ugiuka kwinekirira kigina giki gikunderete na muigana wa ciringi bilioni 300. IGII na kamiti ya mbunge igia kigina ciuria ni ciyumiririe cia kana ruhonge rwa KRA ni kuhota gukinyaniria matanya ma mwaka wa kigina wa 2024-2025 makungania muigana wa ciringi trilioni 2.9.
But we have not seen any improvement in tax revenue collected. And a year or 2 years ago, the CS is 2 years ago. The CS Treasury told us the problem with KRA is structural. It's not financial.
Perhaps this is a conversation, Chair, that we need to look into it if that is going to motivate KRA to collect for us what the country requires to finance our programs. Then so be it. So that
makamishna ruhonge-ini ruru magĩtetera maugĩte mamwe ma maria macũngĩrĩirie kwaga gũkinyanĩra kwa matanya maya nĩ mĩhĩnga ũkinyaniria wa watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka wa 2023 watungirio hamwe na ihinda rĩrĩa ciringi yaharaganĩte na gĩkĩro kĩnene kĩringithanio na ndora.
There was a bit of a slowdown in Q1 because of the contestations around the Finance Act. With the contestations around the Finance Act, there was a wait and see attitude in the market, whether it was importation or manufacturing. So there was a slowdown in the economy as the Finance Act was being taken through the court system.
Nona gukiri uguo makamishna aya no mataririe kwambatira kwa ungania wa magoti kereka-ini ria keri ria mwaka uyu matanya mao ari gicunji giki gikorwo kiambatirite na 13 hari igana ikereka-ini ria gatatu.
There was pick up in once a determination was made on Finance Act. I think the economy picked up. In Q2 we saw a growth of 40.1% in the second quarter, but then we ran into the inflationary issues.
Dereti egie mathiri maria ruhonge ruru rutarihite no eyumiririe maria gukinyaniria na riu marugamire ciringi bilioni 9.5 thina munene ugituika ni kwaga guthukirwo kigina kiria mendekithitie gia ciringi bilioni 59 kuria mamukirire o ciringi bilioni 26 kuma kuri ministry ya kigina.
Is there any plan to get these pending bills out of your bank?
That when we get the money, how we get the money from National Treasury is they disperse monthly, it's prorated monthly for the entire year. So when we get that money for the month, then we again apportion to the various votes in terms, payments.
These pending bills arise from existing contractual obligations which we have listed, and the challenge has been just an issue of disbursement. I think the matter of EGMS has been spoken to.
Ruhonge rwa KRA ruremetwo ni gukinyaniria matanya ma ungania wa magoti ma mwaka wa kigina wa 2023-2024 ona thengia wa thirikari gukorwo igathikite na ikongerera magoti kiheri kuri Wanjiku. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.